how to connect to Apple CarPlay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to connect to Apple CarPlay, you need to ensure that your vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay support before you begin. Then you need to use a USB Type-C or Lightning cable to connect your iPhone to your car's USB port. Now you need to go to Settings and then you need to head over to General. Now you need to scroll down and you'll find CarPlay there. Just tap on it. And after you have followed all the steps, your car should automatically detect your iPhone and begin charging it. If CarPlay doesn't launch automatically, uh, you'll need to contact to your Apple carrier and then make sure that it is compatible with your car. So, uh, as you can see, if your car supports wireless CarPlay, you just need to press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to start CarPlay setup. So it also supports wireless CarPlay and you'll need to follow these steps to enable CarPlay. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.